Introduction: CSS is a fundamental part of web development, controlling layout and appearance of websites. CSS Absolute Position property allows developers to specify exact location of an element on the web page. Understanding CSS Absolute Positioning: an element with absolute positioning is removed from the normal document flow. Such elements position themselves relative to the nearest positioned ancestor or the document body if no positioned ancestors exist. Example: an element with ID box positioned 50 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the left of nearest positioned ancestor. Details about CSS Absolute Positioning: 4 positioning properties exist with absolute positioning: top, right, bottom, and left. These properties determine the distance between the edge of the element and the edge of its containing element. The stacking order, or z-index, determines which elements appear on top when elements overlap. Example: an element with ID box with a z-index of 10 will appear on top of any other positioned element with a z-index of less than 10. Tips and tricks: be aware of the containing element when using absolute positioning. Utilize the left and top properties to avoid unexpected positioning. Understand that absolute positioning removes an element from the normal document flow. Common error-prone cases: forgetting to set a position property on an ancestor element can cause unexpected positioning relative to the document body. Not specifying a z-index for overlapping elements can lead to unexpected stacking order. Forgetting that absolute positioning removes an element from the normal document flow can lead to layout issues. Conclusion: absolute positioning is a powerful tool for precise control over layout of elements on web pages. However, it demands caution to avoid layout issues. Key considerations include the containing element, specifying a z-index when necessary, and the impact on document flow.